Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, take a moment and hit that subscribe button because you definitely want to come back, say hi to me. Today I'm going to make the most delicious and easiest mug brownie ever because I've got a new sound setup. So I thought this is the perfect way to celebrate it with you guys because as you know, I love you all a lot. So make sure to comment down below how do you like my new audio. So without any further ado, let's get started. I especially like this recipe because it takes minimal amount of ingredients and effort to put it together, but tastes like heaven. So for the first thing, I am taking my luxurious chocolate cocoa powder. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of baking powder. I'll make sure to link all the ingredients and quantities in the description box down below. Also adding powdered sugar and all-purpose flour around 6 tablespoons. Now mixing them all together. So our first part is done. Now let's move on to the other part. After it's all mixed together, I'll put it aside and make a mixture of oil and milk. I'm showing it in a cup to give it an estimate. And also I combine them together because pouring them gives me a delightful sight. After pouring it in, I'll start mixing, and the desired consistency will be thick chocolate paste. And if you eat it uncooked, it tastes good even though. Well, it tastes good, but it doesn't mean that you have to try it. Okay, so I added 2 tablespoons of water just to reach the exact desired consistency. Now I am pouring this in another cup because a brownie is not a brownie if you do not share it. And this is a mixture of white powdered sugar and brown sugar. You can mix them separately and put them all together, but I just take it easy and dump everything one by one. After that, I just mix it up and add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of boiling water. And I think this is the most essential thing to get the brownie very moist and soft. One of the most important thing about this brownie is that it gets ready in a microwave and it takes around 4 to 5 minutes. With all these ingredients, I am making 2 servings, and it's gonna take only 5 to 6 minutes to start from scratch till the end. So now here I couldn't resist tasting it because it was so moist. As you can see, it's rich, chocolatey, warm and fudgy. I love walnuts with the brownies, so I crushed some walnuts and sprinkled it over the top, and this is how it looks, and I really can't stop eating it. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.